Good evening. Tonight, i-test natin yung MOSFET, yung function niya. Here, you can see connected siya sa battery. Tapos ito yung actual MOSFET. Yung size niya is, this is 1 peso coin. So, maliit lang siya. Kayang-kaya ipagkasya sa handguard. So, this is the trigger wire. Ito yung negative positive to motor. So yan, kakabit natin para makita nyo yung ito yung this is the motor's negative. So ito, tapos ito yung positive. Ayan. So this is a rewinded motor modified for high torque, high speed. So, natin, i-ground natin to sa ayan yung label niya. So, i-ground natin sa positive as let's pretend na ito yung trigger. So, doing that. So, ito yung this is a trigger wire. So, all we have to do is i-ground siya sa positive ng MOSFET. So, this is how it works. So, we see na ang MOSFET is working. Yan, walang ibang wire nakakabit dyan. Yun yung MOSFET natin. Tsaka this is sa battery. Connected siya sa battery. So, yan lang po. And then, goodbye.